Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching TLV Academy. Imagine your monthly electricity bill suddenly doubles and you wonder if you actually consume more power or if it is just because of the hot weather. Now expand this confusion to a giant factory, a hospital or a data center where energy costs run into millions. How do they really know whether their energy saving initiatives are working or not? This is where ISO 50006-2023 comes in. It is the global framework that helps organizations measure and prove real energy performance improvements. Now, what is ISO 50006-2023? ISO 50006-2023, officially titled Energy Management Systems, evaluating energy performance using energy performance indicators and energy baselines, was published in May 2023 as the second edition, replacing the 2014 version. Unlike ISO 50001, it is not a certification standard, but a guidance document that supports organizations in setting up the right energy metrics. It gives companies the tools to evaluate whether energy performance is truly improving using two critical concepts: energy performance indicators, that is ENPIs, and energy baselines, that is ENBs. Now, why ISO 50006 matters? Energy management today is not just about saving money. It is about achieving sustainability, compliance, and net zero goals. The challenge most companies face is proving their improvements. For example, if a hotel consumes more energy in summer, does that mean efficiency worsened? Not necessarily. ISO 50006 introduces normalization, which allows organizations to account for influencing factors such as weather, production volumes, or occupancy, ensuring that performance evaluations are fair and accurate. Now, core concepts of ISO 50006-2023. Energy performance indicators. These are the KPIs of energy management. They measure how energy is consumed relative to useful output. For instance, kilowatt hours per ton of steel in a factory, liters of fuel per kilometer in transport, or energy consumption per patient bed in a hospital. They must be relevant, measurable, and reliable. Energy baselines, that is ENBs. These act as the reference point for measuring improvement. For example, a textile factory may choose the year 2022 as its baseline, and every year afterward, energy performance is compared to that standard. Relevant variables and normalization. Factors such as weather, production, or seasonal demand strongly affect energy consumption. Normalization is the method used to adjust for these variables. Without it, comparisons would be misleading, like blaming energy inefficiency on a colder winter. Now let's discuss what is new in ISO 50006-2023. The 2023 edition brings significant updates. It aligns terminology and methodology with ISO 50001-2018. It strengthens guidance on identifying relevant versus static variables, expands normalization techniques, including advanced statistical approaches, and refines the process for demonstrating energy performance improvement. Definitions are updated and clearer rules are provided for setting the right boundaries, whether measuring at machine level, building level, or across the entire organization. Now let's discuss the benefits of ISO 50006-2023. Organizations benefit in multiple ways. They gain proof of savings with data that managers and auditors can trust. It supports compliance with ISO 50001 and strengthens ESG and sustainability reporting. Companies can control cost better by identifying real improvements and filtering out noise. Most importantly, it builds confidence with regulators, investors, and customers by showing transparent, verifiable energy performance improvements. Now let's discuss about the challenges and pitfalls. However, adopting ISO 50006 is not without challenges. Choosing the wrong ENPIs, such as total energy consumption instead of per unit measures, can distort results. Ignoring normalization leads to misleading interpretations. Poor data collection undermines reliability, and organizations often forget to update baselines when major changes occur, such as new equipment installations. Another common pitfall is focusing only on short-term savings instead of long-term sustainable improvements. To wrap this up, we can say that ISO 50006-2023 is like a truth meter for energy management. It ensures that organizations don't just claim improvements, but can prove them with reliable, normalized data. From factories to hospitals, from IT data centers to retail stores, every sector can benefit from its structured approach. If you want to cut costs, prove your energy savings, and achieve your sustainability goals, don't just say you are improving. Measure it with ISO 50006-2023. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe, share, and comment with their thoughts or experiences in energy management. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of the ENVI Academy.